Good afternoon to our second Capital Markets Day Asia Pacific here in Singapore at the Raffles Hotel. My name is Diana Asafau. I'm the Head of Business Development and Communications here at LBBW in Singapore, and I'm delighted to be your host today.
Thank you very much for joining our conference today here in the very famous Raffles Hotel. Diana said it already, the world has changed since we did our last Capital Markets Day.
Last year was also decisively shaped by the COVID-19 measures. It is therefore all the more gratifying that the pandemic will no longer be part of our everyday lives in 2023.
Right now, the focus has shifted. It's more about security, it's more about technological autonomy, it's less about cooperation, it's more about rivalry.
Lots and lots of potential risks to the supply chain. We're seeing some good general patterns happening, which I think back up what Moritz was saying. Container shipping continues to be a very stressful, difficult market to manage. And of course, like all of us, we have to think also about the digital market and cybersecurity.
I mean, what's interesting is even after the AT1s from Credit Suisse, we've seen a lot of demand in the region for Tier 2 bonds out of the banks. And that seems to be a very strong asset class, even for retail and private banks and family offices.
And so for us, we have our climate change action plan and energy and development are intertwined, right? So if you're going to do development, you need to think about how do we think about low carbon energy access, electricity access for the countries that we work in, and how do we make sure we're not financing, long-term lock-in to unsustainable sources of energy.
It's surprising how AI, which is so new in its implementation, has already become heritage AI, and generative AI has become the new one.
And for investors, I think it means that we should be even smarter in making our investment decisions. So I hope you take this into account and mitigate the corresponding risks.
Thank you, everybody, being here. Clients giving us the honor to participate. We had interesting panels. We had very interesting speakers. Thank you. This was an excellent organized event.